father said, don't you worry, child. See, heaven's got a plan for you. Don't you worry, child. Say, don't you worry, child.
Hey everybody, how's it going? Jack here again with another Loopy Pro video, and in today's session we're going to be trying to build live Don't You Worry Child by the Swedish House Mafia, so let's get into it. Let's start with a drum loop from Migs. Then we're going to record a 4-bar chord sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get a bit of bass in there, a little synth sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's double that up with an arpeggiated lead line on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's part 1, but we need a different section for part 2. So let's mute these and record. Let's put a bass line on section B as well. Let's add that synth on there as well. I think that sounds quite cool. And we can go into verse 1.
There was a time I used to look into my father's eye. In a happy home, I was a king, I had a golden throne. Those days were gone, now the memories on the wall. See, I hear the songs from the places where I was born. Up on the hill across the blue lake, that's where I had my first heartbreak. I still remember how we all changed. My father said, don't you worry, child. See, heaven's got a plan for you. See, don't you worry now. Hey, there was a time I used to look into my father's side. In a happy home, I was a king, I had a golden throne. Those days were gone, and now the memories on the wall. See, I hear the sound from the places where I was born. Up on the hill across the blue lake, that's where I had my first heartbreak. I still remember how it all changed. My father said,
bring it down.
On the wall, yeah. See, I hear the sound from the places where I was born. Upon the hill across the blue lake, this is where I had my first heartbreak. I still remember how it all changed. My father said, don't you worry, child. See, heaven's got a plan for you. Don't you worry, child. Say, don't you worry, child. See, heaven's got a plan for you. Say, don't you worry, child.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Keep on looping.
Whoopsie.